Yes, on this Moniepoint app, here you can make your personal savings. So savings with interest. So coming down to the savings platform, this spot, yes. Then we have a saving feature here. So you can pick anyone. So earn as you save. So use flexible savings and lock savings and fixed savings. So you can pick any one of your choice. So talking about the flexible savings, so this is more or less like an emergency savings. So the locked savings, and so each savings here actually have interest attached to them. So this one here for 9%. So showing you how to walk through this, so you can just tap on this choose saving. So here are um, things to note: the interest on 9% per annum, savings duration for 1 month, that is minimum, to maximum. So you can just click on this start up, then you put the name, plan name, what you intend to use the savings for, maybe for car, then a target. So what's your target? If it's for how many months, so you want to save with. So like this, I can just save for a month. I pick a date, click here, then start date. I can just say I'm starting today. Get. So now, how much are you aiming for? So like, how much are you aiming for? So you can say, okay, for a car, let's say 30,000 naira, like that. So then here says saving frequency. So is it monthly, daily, weekly? So if you are saving daily, just tap here for daily, save. Then you can see it will automatically calculate how much you save, you'll be saving per day. And you can just continue next. So here it shows automatically, like it will automatically start deducting from your account. So and it will give you an every 8 a.m., like every 8 a.m. in the morning. So then you can just click on next. So like this. So yeah, so there's an option to roll over to, and there's an option to top up on it. So and the last part, you can just click on agree, then create plan. So this are the views for walking through the savings plan on Moniepoint.